Plastic. Simple yet sturdy construction provides your choice of 3 or 4.5 inches of additional clearance for Zenna Home Spacesavers to fit over standard height and tall toilets. Easy to install. No tools needed for 3-inch clearance, simple to screw in for 4.5-inch clearance. Color matched to use with your choice of Zenna Home White Wood Spacesavers. Fits on all Zenna Home Wood Spacesavers except model numbers that start with E9107, E9923, 9107 or 9923. Includes instructions. Top reviews from the United States. Measure the width of the legs of whatever you are using them for. These extensions saved the day. When we went to put the cabinet over the toilet, the bottom shelf was right over an outlet. I couldn't believe it. When I saw these extensions, I ordered them right away. We had to sand the bottom of our legs on the cabinet to fit in the slots of the extensions because they are 1/2 wide and we needed about 5/8 wide. However, after we did that and a little pounding to get them in, they are perfect. They really did save the day. We used both extensions because we needed the whole 4.